Ilang beses ba dapat paliguan ang aso o pusa? Hi guys, Doc Ara here. For the short answer, it can actually range from weekly to monthly. Paano, Doc? There are actually factors to consider when giving your pet a bath. Yung coat type nila, health condition, lifestyle, and also may general rule rin tayo. For example, for hairless breeds like yung mga Chinese Crested for dogs, tapos yung mga Sphynx for cats, better na parang weekly to help manage yung mga natural oils, prevent yung skin issues like yung mga blackheads, and acne. Sa mga long-coated breeds natin, for cats, yung mga Persians, for dogs naman, yung mga Lhasa Apso, Shih Tzu, every 2 to 3 weeks is okay. For medium coats naman, yung mga Aspin natin, Beagle, every week to every 4 weeks. And syempre, when it comes to bathing, importante rin to consider what shampoo to use for your dogs. One good example of a shampoo for dogs ay yung Top to Tail. It's formulated with premium ingredients to deodorize, moisturize, and nourish your pet's skin while hydrating and repairing your pet's coat. Nakakatulong ito mag-reduce ng mga matting, mga tangles, for softer and shinier fur. Plus, may magic cooling effect ito to keep them comfortable. Another factor to consider is yung health condition nila. For example, if your dog is diagnosed with atopic dermatitis, fungal infection, or bacterial infection, ibang usapan na kung gaano kadalas sila paliguan. It actually depends on your vet's recommendation, and syempre, meron rin mga prescription shampoos na ibibigay. Another factor is lifestyle. Syempre, kung very active naman yung dogs and cats nyo, naglalakad sa labas, putikan, mas mapapadalas ang ligo nila. So, pwedeng mag-weekly, bi-weekly, or pinakasagad every 2 weeks. Doc, ano ba talaga? Ito yung general guidelines natin. For most dogs, generally, lalo na kung healthy ang skin and coat nila, every 1 to 2 weeks is okay. For grooming naman, once a month is okay. Tapos for frequent baths naman, lalo na for dogs na oily yung skin or may skin conditions, madalas lumalabas, very active, madalas magputek, madalas magbasa, pwedeng bi-weekly or twice a week or depende. And for our cats, a bath na parang every 3 weeks to 4 weeks is okay to maintain yung health ng coat nila and cleanliness. Pero ibang usapan ng yung mga brushing dapat daily yon, and yung mga grooming monthly rin dapat. Lalo na sa mga long-haired cats natin dyan para iwas yung matting or tangling. But then again, if you have other concerns regarding your pet's health, don't forget to consult your veterinarian.